Ever pondered why SEO or search engine optimization is a game changer for businesses? In the vast ocean of the internet, SEO serves as the guiding star, leading potential customers to your digital doorstep. Consider this: SEO is the art of enhancing the visibility and ranking of your website on search engine results pages, fondly known as SERPs. When a website ranks higher in these results, it becomes more accessible to potential customers. This increased visibility can result in more traffic, more leads, and ultimately, more sales for your business. So, how does one navigate the intricate labyrinth of SEO? Fear not, as the path is more straightforward than it seems. First, embark on the journey of keyword research. This initial step involves identifying the specific keywords your target audience uses when searching online. Several keyword research tools can aid in discovering relevant keywords that have high search volume and low competition. Next, optimize your website content with these keywords. This process includes incorporating keywords into your titles, meta descriptions, headings, and within the body of your text. Thirdly, focus on building backlinks. Backlinks are essentially the footprints leading from other websites to yours. When high-quality websites link to your site, search engines interpret this as a sign of your website's authority and trustworthiness. Backlinks can be cultivated by creating quality content that others wish to link to, or by guest blogging on other reputable websites. Lastly, improve your website's technical SEO. This behind-the-scenes aspect of your website, including factors such as website speed, mobile friendliness, and crawlability, can significantly influence your ranking in CRPs. But the journey doesn't end here. Here are some bonus tips to further bolster your SEO strategy. Concentrate on long-tail keywords. These specific and less competitive keywords are not only easier to rank for, but are also more likely to attract high-quality traffic to your website. Prioritize creating high-quality content that is well-written, informative, engaging, and relevant to your target keywords. Remember to keep your content fresh and updated. Search engines have a soft spot for websites that regularly spruce up their content with new blog posts, articles, or other forms of content. Don't shy away from promoting your content on social media. This exposure can help you reach a broader audience and build more backlinks. And finally, monitor your results. Tracking your SEO outcomes can provide valuable insights into what's working, what's not, and how to adjust your strategy accordingly. While SEO might require time and effort, it's a worthy investment for any business looking to enhance its online presence. By adhering to the steps and tips outlined, you can elevate your website's ranking in SERPs, thereby drawing more traffic, leads, and sales for your business. In summary, SEO is an essential tool in the digital age that can catapult your business to new heights. By conducting keyword research, optimizing content, building backlinks, improving technical SEO, and focusing on quality and promotion, you can reap the rewards of a robust SEO strategy. SEO isn't just about being seen, it's about being found by the right people at the right time.